Hello students, welcome back. In the last session we were discussing about regular expression. In that we have discussed sets and sequences. In today's session we will continue our discussion of regular expression. Today we will discuss some of the important methods of RE module. So let's start. Okay, the first method which we will study here, it is the method find all or find all function. We have already seen some examples before where we have used the method find all. The find all function returns a list containing all matches. Find all method or find all function returns list of all the matches in a string. One example is given here. We have already seen some examples before. So look at this example. Print a list of all matches. So our program, first we have imported the module RE, and then we have a text rain in Spain. Then we are searching for a pattern that is AI in the text the rain in the Spain. What we are searching for? We are searching for AI. Remember, by using a method find all. How find all is used? RE dot find all, and we are passing pattern that is AI, search for AI, and where we are searching it in a txt variable. So txt variable contains the rain in the Spain. Now find all method will search for AI from the beginning till the end. It will check for both the characters A and I. From the beginning, if it tries to check, it will find AI over here. You can see AI. So there is one match. Then again it continues its search, and then again it finds AI in the string. So two AIs exist in the given string. So these two matches will be returned by function find all, and that will be stored in X. And when we print X, it will print. Now you can see what is our output. The output contains two AIs. It is a list of matches. Twice we have AI in the string. So all those two matches are written as a list by find all function. The list contains the matches in the order they are found. So matches are in the order they are found. If no matches are found, if there are no matches, an empty list is returned. In case of find all method, if matches are found, list of matches are written. If no matches are found, it will simply return empty list. Means it is like this, a list without any elements, that is empty list. So this is about the method that is find all method. The next method, it is the search method. The search function searches the string for a match and returns a match object. So search function returns a match object, unlike the find all function which returns list of all the matches. Here search function returns a match object if there is a match. If there is no if there is more than one match, only the first occurrence, remember, only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. Now look at this example. Search for the first white space character in the string. So we are searching for a white space character in the given string. That to a first white space character we need to search for. Now how it is done? First import RE module, then we have our text, the rain in the Spain, and we have used a function here re dot search And what we are searching for, if you look at, we are searching for backslash s. Backslash s, it will search for a white space character. Backslash s means it will search for a white space character. These are some special character sequences which we have studied in the last session, if you remember. Slash s, slash d, these are special character sequences. Okay, so we are searching for a space in the given text txt, and again search will start search from left to right, and it will search from the beginning, and it will find a search at this position. If you see, there is a white space. As there is a white space, search is successful, it will return the match object which contains details about the search. So that is stored in X. And after that, we are printing the first white space character is located in position. We are printing the first white space character in the string by using the match object. Match object is X dot start. When I say X dot start, it will simply return the starting position of the match. That is the first match of a white space. Okay, if no matches are found, the value none is returned by search function. Again, if you compare this with find all method, if no matches are found, empty list is returned. In search function, returns none if no match is found. If match is found, it returns match object. Okay, looking at this program, what it will return, you can see the output of this is the first white space character is located at in the position that is 3. If you look at this, you will get to know it is at the position 3, which starts from 0. Okay, this is about the function search. The next function is function split. As the name suggests, split function returns a list where the string has been split at each match. So split function returns list where the string has been split at each match. So split function, it is used to split the string into multiple different strings based on a pattern. So we can search for a particular pattern, and based on that pattern we can split the string into multiple separate strings or list of strings. Split at each white space character. So we want to split at every white space character. So program, again import RE, text the same, the rain in this pane. Then we have used RE dot split, and what we are searching for, what pattern we have specified, again slashes means the same pattern, that is white space, and the method is split. So split method will search for this pattern in the string. It will find this pattern at this position. You can see a white space here, again here, and again at this position. There are 3 white spaces, and based on the white spaces, the string are split into multiple different string. Means the first string is D, after D we have the other string that is rain, and then again it is split in and again into other string that is Spain. So we have multiple strings now. D is separate, rain is separate, in is separate, and Spain is separate, and that is stored in X. It is split and it is stored in X. And when I try to print X, the output, if you see, it is the list of all the separate strings. So we have split the string into separate substrings by using split method. You can control the number of occurrences by specifying the max split parameter. Now we can even control how many times we need to split or number of times split needs to be called, or based on number of matches a split needs to be done by using max split parameter. Now split function takes the last parameter. You can see this is a max split parameter. When I specify max split parameter as 1, only the first at the first search the string is split into two different strings only at the first match. Now we are searching for slashes. The first match is at this position, right? So from here the string is split, and it is split into two different strings. First string is the, and second string contains all this: rain in Spain. The match is found at first place where the string is split into two different strings. When we specify max split is equals to 1, so only once it will split. If it is 2, it will go for second match also, and it will split the string into 3 parts, that is the rain, and last string is in Spain. Okay, so like this you can control the number of occurrences by specifying max split parameter. Okay, this is about split function. Next function is the function sub function. The sub function replaces the matches with the text of your choice. So sub function can be used to substitute. Those who have used MS Word, you know a feature of MS Word, that is find and replace. That is, it will search for a pattern and that pattern is replaced with a new pattern. Similar way this sub function works. The sub function means substitute. Again, it will search for a particular pattern, and if that pattern exists, that pattern is replaced with a new text. Okay, look at this example. Replace every white space. Again, we are replacing white space character with the number 9. So in the given string, if there are white space characters, those white space characters needs to be replaced with digit 9. How it can be done? Again, the text is rain in the Spain. Then we have used a function re.sub. We are passing 3 parameters to re.sub function, remember. First parameter is the pattern which you are searching for. The pattern here, it is /s, means a white space we are searching. Then second parameter is the string with which you want to replace the pattern. I want to replace the white space with the digit 9. So wherever there are white spaces in the string, it needs to be replaced with digit 9. And then last parameter, it is the string in which you want to search. And once this line is executed, the new string will be stored in X after replacement, and when we print X, look at the output. So this is our output. So in place of spaces, now we have digits 9, 9 and 9. So spaces in the original string, it is replaced with digits 9. Okay, you can control again the number of replacements, how many times it has to be replaced, by specifying the count parameter. So if you include one more parameter, count, it will replace only that many matches. If I pass 2, it will only replace the first 2 matches. If I pass 3, it will replace only the first 3 matches, 4 matches, like that, by using the parameter that is count parameter. Okay, so this is about the function sub or substitute function. Next is match object. Match object is an object containing information about the search and the result. we have already seen the function, that is the function search, re.search, and we know that function search returns a match object. Whenever there is a match, then function search returns a match object. So what is this match object? If there is no match, the value none will be returned. As we know about search function, it returns none value if there is no match instead of the match object. Now look at one example. Do a search that will return a match object. So we have import re, again rain in this pane, and we have used re.search. What we are searching for? AI in the text. Now look at the text. If you look at the text, you will get to know there is AI, means AI exists in the text. So this search method will return a match object, and that match object is stored in X. And when you print X, means you're printing match object. And what it will print when you try to print a match object? SRE underscore match object, and it is printing span, means where the search has found, it has successful between the index value, that is 5 to 7. First match. Search always returns information about first match. Remember, first match of the pattern. What pattern we have searched? We have searched for AI. So first match of AI is at this position, and this will return the position of the first match or span of the first match. It starts at 5 and it ends at 7. That is one more than the index actually. So that is 5, 7. And what we have matched for? We have matched for AI. So when you try to print the match object, it will print information like this. Now match object also contains certain methods which can be used to get more meaningful information. Like in this case, the information, if you look at what the match object is giving us, it may not be that meaningful. To get the meaningful information from the match object, we can use certain methods of match object. Okay, look at one more example over here. We have re.search. We are searching for A star B. Again, meaning of star is 0 or more occurrences of last character. Last character here it is A. And the search string is this. Search in this for a pattern A star B. Looking at our text, do you find the pattern here in the text? A, then multiple 0 or more A's and B. You can see here we have more than one A's and then we have a B. So the pattern exists at this position. So match is found at this position. Okay. So re.search will return match object, and match object is stored in R1. Now how to get information from R1? Now you can see first method which we have used, it is R1.group. R1.group method, what it does? Group returns the string matched. Whichever string it has matched, it will return the string if you use R1.group. Now A star B will match a string that is AAAB. So it has returned the string which it has matched. Then we have a method R1.start. Index of the match start. The first match, wherever it founds, the index of that match you will get by using R1.start. Starting index position, it is 3. If you look at here, F is at 0th position, O is at first position, this is at second position. Then match starts from this position, so A is at third position. So start is 3. Same way you will get end, R1.end, where the match ends. Then you can even use R1.span, which returns a tuple of start and end. It gives both start and end. Okay, this is about the object, the match object, which is written by the method search in regular expression. Okay, that's it in today's session. We will stop here. Thank you.